In this video, we'll set up a Zap to send MMS messages using ClickSend to new leads that are sent to Zapier through Makesbridge. So a couple of things before we get started. Make sure you have the Zap URL, which is provided with the playbook, with you. So I'm logged into my Zapier account, and I simply paste in the Zap URL. Also, make sure you have your ClickSend phone number, the MMS message that you'd like to send out, and a link to the logo image that you'd like to have within your MMS message. So we'll configure the MMS message within the Zapier interface. So I click on Try this Zap to use this Zapier template to set up the Zap. Everything is pre-set here with the triggers and the actions. I click on the trigger. The app and event is already done. All you have to do is connect your Makesbridge account. You could choose an existing account or connect a new one. So I'll just go with my Makesbridge account here for SaaS Shops and click continue. So here's where we'll choose the export event. So within the Makesbridge workflow, the step where you had set up the export to Zapier, whether it's step 1, option 1, or maybe step 2, option 1, whatever the stage is or the step is, make sure you choose the right step here. You can search for the workflow name and the step. So here's what I'll be using. First message. And make sure you choose the right Zap label, which you've entered in the Makesbridge workflow. So click continue. We'll test the trigger, which will give us a sample contact, which we'll use to set up the Zap. So you click continue. In the ClickSend setup, make sure you choose the right account. You can choose an existing or connect a new one. Click continue. And here's where we'll be setting up the MMS message actually. So in the to section, you will be choosing the phone number. So let's search for mobile. So there we have it. Now, in some cases, you might be getting phone numbers from your lead source which don't have the country code. So in that case, you could just put in a default country code before so that it appends before the actual phone number of the new lead. So that is done. For the subject, let's say SaaS Shops quote. Within the body, since I have the message here, all I'll do is just simply copy and paste. So adding some personalization here, you have your merge field. So I'll use first name here, link to the quote. I'll put in the URL field. And the rest of the message is already set up. So make sure you remove some line breaks. In the from section, I'll just put in my my phone number. So that is the ClickSend number that will be used, the dedicated number that you have in ClickSend. In the custom string, make sure you choose the email address because that is what we'll be using as the unique identifier to help track any replies that are coming back from ClickSend and update things in Makesbridge using this unique custom string. And the unique identifier we'll be using is the email address. So media URL, we have that already. So just copy and paste it here. So once that is done, you just hit continue and we'll test the action. Okay, great. So an MMS was sent to ClickSend. You can see the details here. So all is good. You can just hit publish zap to start the zap. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.